If you're dealing with mud, dust, or harsh weather at work,
or when you're hitting the trails for fun,
it might be time to consider some off-road upgrades designed to keep your ride cleaner. Today we'll be walking you through your options for Can-Am Defender windshields, so you can make informed choices and perfect that made-for-you feel.
Stick around to learn more about how you can transform your go-to off-road vehicle for less mess and more comfort.
First, we'll take a look at the Flip Windshield with Wiper and Washer kit. While you might not always see them on side-by-side vehicles, trust us when we say that off-road wipers are seriously helpful.
This setup is ideal for people who need to operate their Defender side-by-side in all kinds of weather. With the flip of a switch, it wipes away rain, dirt, and mess that could be blocking your view, but on fair weather days, you can flip the windshield open and enjoy the breeze and fresh air around you.
The Flip Windshield is available in both glass and a hard-coated polycarbonate, so you can pick the option that fits your needs and budget. Normally, you can't use a wiper on polycarbonate windshields or you'll end up with scratches, but Can-Am's version features a premium coating that makes your windshield scratch-resistant, so wipers work great with both options.
Next up, we have the Pro Vent Windshield for Can-Am's Defender models. This protective product is made with our high-impact resistant, hard-coated polycarbonate, so you know it's built to handle almost anything you and your workday put it through.
For sure. And we're all about options here, so we've included 3 built-in vents you can open and close whenever you need to.
These vents serve a few important functions. They allow for airflow, block out dust and water, and minimize fog that could appear on your windshield and obscure your view.
And with the Pro Vent windshield covered, we're jumping into our final products for today. The standard, tried and trusted windshields for our Defender riders. Available in half and full length, these shields are made with high-impact resistant polycarbonate.
In other words, they're super clear and seriously durable. If you want to preserve that wide open feeling, but also want to amp up your protection from the elements, the half windshield is the one for you.
On the other hand, if you want to maximize protection and you rarely ride in wet conditions that may require wipers, the full windshield was made to protect you and your passengers from debris, wind, and dust.
And we know that you're busy, so don't even worry. You can count on both of these models for a quick and easy install, but there's one more product you may want to add while you're at it.
When you add a rear window to your ride, you can cut back on backdraft created by low pressure in the cab area. Whether you opt for a net or a panel, this means less dirt, water, and dust will be sucked into your vehicle, which results in a better ride for you and your passengers and less cleanup overall. And just like that, we've got your options covered. So here's the bottom line for you. Windshields aren't always necessary, but they definitely come in handy on the job, especially in harsh environments or unpredictable weather.
If you'd like to learn more about perfecting your ride, head down to the comments and let us know what other products you'd like us to cover. Enjoy your ride and we'll see you soon.